Hello everyone, this is Ashwini Dashgupta from Cheenta. I want to show you how you can use the 24/7 Cheenta support. This is available for internal students only, and we wish to help you to solve advanced problems. Whenever you are stuck in a problem, you can use this support forum. Okay, so first you have to go to cheenta.com. So you open your browser and visit cheenta.com. You should see something like this. If you scroll down, there the menu should pop up, the top menu, and in the top menu you should be able to see the login button. So click on the login button. Okay, it will take you to the login page. You may see username password. You do not have to put in username password. You can just click on login with Gmail or Google, and you will be able to use your Google account to log into the system. So let's do that. And for example, I could log in with any of these Google accounts that we have attached to Cheenta. So maybe I can use this one. I will be using this one, let's say. Uh, and it may ask for password. It may not ask for password depending on if you are already logged in. Okay, so now you can see this support forum. This is where you will be able to see old questions, and you will also be able to ask a question. So you can put a question title, what is a prime, for example, and oops, sorry, it has been already posted by mistake. Let's see. Yeah, your forum ID is missing. So yeah, sorry, I pressed enter by mistake. So you have to first put what is a prime, and then you may put a question, what is a formula for square for sum of squares of primes. This is a very arbitrary question, and I wanted to show you how you can use LaTeX to enter math here. So you put double dollar and put 1 square plus, so 2 square, maybe start with the first prime, 2 square plus 3 square plus 5 square, and maybe you can use C dot. So you need to know a little bit of LaTeX to use this to enter math. Kth k square, whatever, kth prime whole square. So there is no such formula which can give you this answer, but this is just a fun thing to show you what's going on. So in topic tags you can put primes. People can understand what's going on if they see the topic tag. You can also put the forum, like let's say maybe you can put number theory, and there might be options of setting this as sticky or super sticky, but you may or may not have that capability depending on your user level and topic status. And finally, you can notify me on follow-up replies by email. You should click that if you want to see some sort of a response directly in your email. Or you have to come back to this forum to see that. Okay, you can always attach some sort of a file to your post, or you could also enter your um, a picture of your notebook maybe using this insert image button, and then you can just click on this and then you can upload it, let's say this, so something like that, and it's uploaded. You put it here and it's posted. So now finally you click on submit, and once you click on submit, this particular post has been created and you should be able to see it right away. And you see the math is displayed like this. It's a LaTeX display, and you can also see the page, the paper, and others can respond to your question, of course. And if you want to log out, just click on log out here and you're done. So this is how you can use the Cheenta support forum for clearing all your doubts. It's presently available only for Internal students and our team of mentors and faculties will try to respond to your queries as quickly as possible. Keep doing great mathematics. We want to do a good job to help you to do great mathematics. Goodbye.